GH for STEM Juniors Challenge. In this experiment, Mercy NEWMAN shows us how water is a bad conductor. Mercy is a junior scientist from HARIOM International School located in South Pond in the central region of Ghana. For her science practical, Mercy needs 2 identical test tubes, a test tube rack, a test tube holder, a candle, matches, ice cubes, and some water. Shall we see what she's up to? There is a transfer of heat through substances called conductors. Certain substances such as air and water are poor conductors of heat.
To begin with this experiment, you take 1 test tubes, you pour water in it halfway, put your ice cube in, you take your test tube holder, then you take the other test tube, also add water, you light your candle, then you put the test tube vertically, then you tilt it in the fire. So now you can see that the water is boiling. The test tube has become very hot.
The water molecules at the bottom heats up and rises to the top for the ones on top to now replace it at the bottom.
So as you can see, the top part is very hot and the down is still cold, and it didn't boil as the first one did.
The heat at the top will stay there and not travel down.
You can see that with the first one, the water molecules from beneath of the test tube displayed to the heated water molecules at the surface of the water, or to the unheated part. So this shows that water is a bad conductor of heat.
The application for this particular experiment can be seen in various forms. The cooling system of an engine, it also occurs by conventional current. I'm Douglas Yako, a physics teacher of HARIOM International School.
This is why warm air rises towards the ceiling and cold air replaces it. With this convection current, a room is cooled. It's time for Juneos practical STEM quiz. What will happen when salt is added to the water? A. It makes the water a better conductor of heat. B. It makes the water a worse conductor of heat. C. It does not change the water property. Now that was a great demonstration on how to use water as a conductor. Can you try this experiment at home, either by yourself or with your friend from school? Make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag We Go Innovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM. You can check out any of our experiments at www.wegoinnovate.org, and please leave a comment. You can also follow us on social media at We Go Innovate or WhatsApp us on 055 406 6248. Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.